Hello, this is Michael Moriarty, Chief Investment Officer of Wellspire Advisors with a special market in 2 minutes. We wanted to provide an update on our thinking from a memo that we put out a couple weeks ago on the volatility in the financial sector. Obviously, things have evolved. We've confirmed a number of things that we laid out in that letter. The volatility has obviously moved across the Atlantic to ensnare Credit Suisse. So we wanted to provide an update. What are the implications to our clients? As we laid out in that piece, we really think about it in three ways. First is any exposure to the equities or debt of the affected companies. Short answer is it's minimal. On the equity side, our managers had de minimis or zero exposure to the equities. On the fixed income side, they're coming out of the Credit Suisse write down of a tranche of its junior debt. That took the market by surprise. So we do have some dedicated preferred equity managers that had exposures and suffered a drawdown. We think that drawdown is in the rearview mirror, and markets have steadied there. The second area where we think about the exposure to our clients are: did any of our managers have fund accounts or operating accounts with the affected banks? And in particular, you think private equity managers with a relationship with Silicon Valley Bank. And the good news there as well is that managers largely took the days before the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank to move a lot of cash. They were very prudent, and now the cash is at other financial institutions, and they're repapering any lines of credit that they would have had with Silicon Valley Bank. Again, I think the turmoil is in the rearview mirror. The third area is the health of our custodians. As we laid out in the piece the other week, very strict rules on the custodians having to segregate their assets from customer assets, very strict rules on the distinction between their banking affiliates and the broker-dealer. We've confirmed that with the chief risk officer at one of our primary custodians and continue to feel very comfortable about the health and the protocols in place with our custodians. Obviously, we'll continue to provide updates as we see them. We continue to come around to the views we shared with you a couple of weeks ago, and in that we feel very confident. We hope you found this helpful. As always, we stand ready, your advisors stand ready to answer any questions or address any concerns you may have. Thank you very much.